Happy Independence Day to Korean actors that I have shared the screen with. Chaemin Sik and what's his name? Parasite guy. Chaewoo Sik and Chaemin Sik. Yan, Raise Your Flag Philippines Mabuhay. With Chaewoo Sik, I have starred with him in A Paradox Killer, although wala pang nakakakita sa aming eksena, ang bilis kasi. But with with Chaemin Sik, the drama is called Casino or Big Bet. It's in Disney Plus. A Paradox Killer is in Netflix. So please watch. Look for it, guys. And this is the Philippine flag in the Olympic Park in Seoul, Korea. As you know, they hosted 1988 Olympics.